Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Wonder Toast, and welcome to the ultimate epic PC build. We had so many technical difficulties, so at the time of recording this, some boxes are already going to be opened, kind of, a little bit. So don't be surprised if you see things kind of jumbled up a little bit. But yeah, first off, we're going to start with the case. This is the NZXT H440. It's a nice case, definitely an upgrade from my other case. It's just better airflow. It has these nice sound padding stuff here in the back of the case, the top, this part. All of them are gonna go off besides the back because I'm gonna be modding all three of these, so it doesn't really matter for a better full window look. But let's get started. So that's the case. It also, there's, it comes with fans, 3 fans on the top, 3 fans in the front, 1 fan in the rear, and also has SSD slots right there. This logo lights up when you click a button in the back. You can see me touch the button in the other camera right here, our top view camera. But yeah, that's that. One thing that I didn't notice is it also comes with standoffs pre-installed, so you don't have to screw them in yourself. So all you have to do is put the motherboard on the top and it should be fine. Then screw in your case. So this is my motherboard. I already opened it. It's the Crosshair 6 from Asus. Very, very sleek design. This thing is amazing. Has many buttons. I forgot what they all do. You guys don't even probably care. I know one of them is a CMOS button, and the stuff that comes with it is just amazing. We have stickers. None of them match my color scheme. My color scheme is white, black, and purple. I'm gonna be adding more to that later. These are the drivers that nobody cares about because you can just get them online. This is where I can put my cup of tea for those, salty gamers online. More stickers, which these are actually pretty cool. Might keep these. A coupon for modded cables. And all, screws for the motherboard. What? Oh, HDMI is acting up.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
I wouldn't care. So yeah, then we also got zip ties. We also got more. We picked up more of those at Walmart. SATA cables for the the data to the storage device we're connecting it to. A sleek IO shield. This thing is clean. It has the Asus Republic of Gamers. But after all, a logo. But after all, you're not gonna see it, so it doesn't matter. Don't know what this thing is. SLI bridge, and for for 3D printer people, you can have a 3D printer mount. Okay. Also, the most handy dandy user guide. This is the most important thing, or else this computer will not be built. You actually need it for specific things. Okay. Okay. We actually need that shit. I lost it. The shit that you plug into without that the computer won't start up.
The little thing?
That shit, yeah. There it is. There it is. It basically connects all the important stuff of the computer. Without many things the computer won't start, but definitely without this it won't. We're just gonna start to put the motherboard stuff, the motherboard itself, the one and only motherboard, inside our computer right now. Da, 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 da. It's always good to see. Okay, that's a match. So yeah, I'm putting it in the computer right now. Oh, one thing I like about this motherboard is it can support up to, I think, 64 gigabytes of RAM. I have 16. I'm gonna get 16 more later. It has an indicator, so say if something's wrong when the computer is not working, it tells me exactly what I do. Look at the manual and it's good. It has all the ports in the world, so that's good. CMOS switch, so I don't have to click it on the reset the little CMOS right there, the little battery circle. And then it also has a BIOS resetter, so that's pretty good. So we're gonna put it on the standoffs right now, not the standoffs. And I've never known this. If you put the IO shield first, honestly, I don't know if you put the IO shield first or the motherboard. I never know that every time I'm building a computer. But first, you would need the IO shield, right? Yeah. Okay.
You're a mess.
I'm a fucking mess. I can't wait to finish it. You guys don't know how much trouble I went through this, and that's why you guys should like this video. That's a good reason why I should like this video. Because I need clout. I need clout. Okay, so. Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna put it in. This goes in the back. I never know how to do this, guys. I'm such a mess, right? I just want this day to be over. Oh, so it goes in the other way. I never know which way it goes in. Oh, that looks really good. One of the most annoying parts of building a computer is putting the IO shield. That shit's annoying. You never know which way it goes in. Definitely time lapse. Okay, thank God. Okay. So the IO shield is finally in. And we are going to put the motherboard, align the motherboard with the standoffs in the case. Fuck. What the fuck? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, just line it up with this thing. This part could be tricky, guys. But the key is to be patient. Because if you're not patient, then you're gonna mess up. What the fuck, bro? I'm not patient right now.
We're gonna go ahead and time lapse this.
Yes. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, this will happen to you too.
Yeah, if you don't subscribe, guys. We're gonna see if Eric can.
If I can
want to do it? Bruh, this shit's not going. Because it's supposed to line up. It's everything's. You can see it at the peak. Oh my god. Piss me off.
Don't break it. You haven't even played it yet.
Shit's annoying.
We've been doing this for 4 minutes now.
Dude, this shit's annoying. This always happens when I put my motherboard in my PC. Damn. I know you're seeing this. I know you're seeing this. Oh my god. I gotta take a break. This shit's
And it's hot.
back for this. You seeing that? You're seeing that, right? That's it. You see what I'm saying? I told you this is one of the most annoying things of building a computer. You got it?
Yeah, you did put it in right.
I did put it in right, guys.
You put it in right, but it's like
I just want to play Fortnite, guys.
I just want to play Fortnite at 300 frames.
Alright? I think I got it.
You think?
I actually got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta like
Push it real
some of
good.
them are a little bit off, but it doesn't matter. That's how it was with my first PC, guys. Whew, most disgusting part of the PC build. That's actually one of the most disgusting parts. Actually, this is a lifesaver because all you gotta do is plug this in the motherboard. The old one you have to connect the pins yourself. So this is a lifesaver. Jesus Christ. You gotta spend a lot of money to save time. Save time, you gotta spend a lot of money. So let's get our thing, $1 screwdriver.
It's on the bed.
Oh, it's on the bed?
Yep.
Great. We're gonna plug it in to the standoffs. Jesus Christ. Dude, once we get the motherboard in, guys, everything's gonna be fine, bro. Oh my God. I was gonna say, let's just use the drill. But I was gonna say, you know what?
You could destroy your computer.
I hope these are the right screws. These aren't.
They're not?
I feel like they're not. These came with it though. These are the right screws. Okay, I thought there was two. Okay, that's good.
Here we see Kenton screwing in some screws.
Okay, number one.
Number one?
Number one. You always have to do the opposite side because the opposite side is what makes it secure. Okay, so we finished that. Here's how it looks like. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? So next we are going to put in the RAM. This is the Corsair Vengeance lighting RGB. This is very fast RAM. I made sure I got fast RAM. Latency is 15. This is what? 15 latency, 3000 megahertz, DDR4, 16 gigabytes, and it's 2 sticks of 8. So we're gonna put that in right now. This is how it looks. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
Beautiful.
Yes, it does. I forgot which one. It's A1. I think it's
You're gonna have to read the manual.
A1, A2, B1, B2. You can put them in any one, but basically the manual tells you which one you use first to get the most performance out of your computer. So actually right now we're going to go to the manual.
It's right there, next to your hand.
Okay. So our handy dandy manual.
Handy dandy notebook.
Okay, so I see already, guys, that the only one with 2 has A2, B2. So that's probably the best one for you know, that's probably the best one in terms of best performance. So we're gonna stick the first one, this shiny RAM. If you think it's shiny now, wait till you see it in RGB mode. We're gonna flip the latches. That's the first thing you do, and we're going to put this in. Okay, don't force it. Alright, so the first one is in, and I'm gonna have to take it out because I put in A1. And for some reason, this motherboard, the latch only flicks on up on one of them. I don't know why. The other ones are just there. Is it in? What the fuck?
That's what she said.
Okay. Not sure. I hope that went in correctly. Where's my RAM?
It's on your computer.
Oh. I'm gonna put in the second DIMM. Hopefully this can show you guys that it's really not hard to build a computer. It's basically like Legos, honestly. Okay, we're not putting it in. let's just take that.
Right after saying it's like Legos because it's so easy.
It is, but like for some reason, you know why? Because this shit. Okay, that could have broken it. The latch closed for some reason. Also, it's kind of hard to see. I thought the light would help me, you know, but no. Need RGB glowing in my face. Okay, so that's in. We can also check later in the BIOS the basic input-output system to see how much RAM's connected, what their speeds are, and if they're connected right, to see if they're running correctly. So we have the case here, motherboard, RAM installed. Now let's pack up. Alright guys, now for the fun part. We have the CPU. We're going to put that in. This is the Ryzen 7 1700. This is 3.0 gigahertz, 8 cores, good stuff. 20 MB cache, you know, 3.7 precision boost. You already know we're going to try to get to 4.0. Anyway, let's start. We're gonna open this. It comes with this sick Wraith cooler. It's RGB. I'm only gonna do put this for now. This is my temporary cooler. As you can see, let me take it out the box. A lot of packaging. Very good product. Sponsor me, AMD. Just kidding, but you can't see it now. But later on, these rings are gonna be LEDs. When this is on, you know, it's gonna spin. It's got our pre-applied thermal paste, all that stuff, good stuff, waiting for to be on our CPU. Where the fuck is the CPU? Oh, there it is. Cause you know this is what we really want. It's what we paid for. So you got our nice Ryzen 7 sticker for proof. It is Ryzen 7. Here's the CPU right there. And here it is. Doesn't it look nice, guys? Always remember when you're putting it in, flip the latch. You want to flip the latch on the CPU to open the socket and align the golden square of the, no, sorry, am I drunk? The golden the golden triangle of the CPU to the arrow or the triangle on the motherboard where the CPU is supposed to go, which I don't see at all, honestly. Oh, there it is. Right there. You guys won't be able to see that, but I see it. I'm supposed to put it there. Boom. It's there. All you have to do is close the latch. And boom. That's the CPU installed. Really not that hard, guys. It's just like Legos. Next, we have the GTX 1080. I already used this in my old system for a bit, just for when I got it, just to see. It was paired with an FX 6300 from 2011, so obviously there's going to be a bottleneck there. But just wanted to use it just to see how it is. This is LED as well, so this is going to look really nice in my case. It comes with, what's this thing called? A nice poster. I already put that on my Instagram, so follow my Instagram and then you can see it there. Or maybe if I'm nice enough, I'll actually put a picture on the screen. But here it is, the ultimate GTX 1080. This is 8 gigabytes. It has 3 DVI ports. I'm sorry, 1 DVI port, 3 display ports right here, as you can see. And then it also has 1 HDMI. It has 2 fans. These turn LEDs. You can also, there's 3 indicators. Oh, don't forget to take off all the important stuff. Remember, I already used this, so you know, a little bit of dust on it. I'll make sure all the protective stuff is off of it. Then you're going to put it in. We're gonna put it in this slot, so we have to unscrew this. And the good thing about this case is, once you unscrew these, you can put them back on. Say if you decided to not use the slot anymore for whatever reason, you put it back in. My old case didn't have that, so +1 for that. We are sweating, guys. Sweaty. You know, people that they say, you know what they say about people that sweat? You know, they have a lot of money because they're always working hard. So this looks really nice so far, guys. Yeah, our cameraman is doing an awesome job. He's a lord. So you guys should subscribe to him. I'll put his link right now on the screen. Go follow him. Go subscribe to him. His name's Beast Tamer. We actually made that Roblox video. It sounds funny, but I don't know. So the GPU is installed. So that's great. The CPU, GPU. So we're gonna actually put the CPU cooler on. We're not really gonna worry about this type of cable management. We'll just tuck it under here for now. Hopefully that doesn't cause any heat problems. I'll be monitoring that later. We're going to screw that in. Opposite sides. Another one of the most cancerous stuff you will ever do when you're building a computer. Alright guys, so we're gonna pick up from this camera. So basically, Eric's phone has to charge. So you're just gonna see me do some top shots. Eric's phone has to charge, so we can't really finish some of the video. But that's alright, we'll just record it like this for now. So the next thing we have to install is, what do we have to install? Oh, the NVMe SSD. This is what we're going to be installing Windows on. This is the 960 EVO, 250 gigabytes, very fast type of SSD, getting information straight from the motherboard. We're just going to plug in this M.2 SSD right now. Basically, what we have to do now is we have to screw this down so it is secure with this screw right here. Right there.
Put it on your hand. That thing is puny.
It is puny, guys.
It's tiny little screw.
But that puny thing is going to be holding our operating system, and we're going to put that in. Okay, so it is installed. I don't know if that's too much. You think that's too much? The way it's installed like that?
I wouldn't know. I've never installed one either.
Yeah. And this was the thing I was talking about. The thing that's the pain in the ass where you connect it to the motherboard. Well, actually, we're gonna skip to that part right now. And thank God that this motherboard came with the one that you can just put on without having to suffer. So all you have to do is find HDD LED. So we're gonna route that through. This one is gonna be permanent, so I need to make sure I know. I usually sneak it through this little shit right here. Oh, my motherboard's there. Okay, this one. We'll sneak it through this one, and they should be set. Next, we are going to take the card, the HDD. I'm so stupid. This is the PSU thing that powers our system. Now, what I like about this is it's fully modular, meaning that instead of all the clutter of the cables that are connected to it, this is an optional type of thing. So basically, it allows you to connect only what you need. You see how it comes with it like that? You can connect everything that you want, you know?
And not the stuff you don't need.
Yeah, not the stuff you don't need. So here's all the cables, bunch of options, as you can see, and they're all labeled. They're all labeled for what you need to use them for. Oh my, that looks beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. Just look at it how it looks for now. Alright. Go. Oh shit.
Teamwork.
Okay, kind of how it looks for now. Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Wonder Toast, and I just want to say, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Me and Eric worked very hard to make this video. This video took forever to put together, so I really appreciate it if you actually watch the whole video. I know it's a bit long, but that's just how it ended up to be. Anyway, that's gonna be it for the video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you disliked it, you know what to do. Hop on the toast for more videos, and as always, stay toasty. Freaking the 70s show when they go to the person, they start talking.
Yeah, that's just like.
And it goes to the next person.
That's funny.
I know that song. What song is it? Oh, that's Rack City. Is that Rack City? What is that?
Modern nigga yellow.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is.
We're just gonna put them on the table because the table's white, thank God. Last table I had was black.
Racist.
The video's gonna. I'm gonna put that in the bloopers. Oh shit! Where's my speaker? Did this one not come with it?
What?
A speaker to let me know what's wrong with my PC. I'm gonna finesse. I'm gonna finesse my old speaker. It doesn't matter if you unplug it, nothing happens. Oh shit.
Kenton basically just whacked the hell out of his keyboard, and most of the things on his desk just flew off.
Stop recording us.
No, it's still recording.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Press OK. You might still be working, and we might not have to reshoot the whole entire thing. I hope.
Okay.
Fingers crossed.
I mean, I think it is.
Yeah, it's good so far.
It's going, yeah. It's happening. We're gonna install drivers. Alright, I'll get back to you. Make sure that shit.
We gotta
I'll
put in
get
some
back
codes.
to you guys.
I'll get you guys codes later.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, we can't turn that off. You just edit it out. You say it like you can't edit it.
Yeah.
You're so dumb, I swear.